Welcome to the pre-derby between Kaizer Chiefs and Orlando Pirates. My name is Robert Marawa, and I'm here with an international player that Kaizer Chiefs has bought, Mohamed Salah. We are with now Tembinkosi Toch from Orlando Pirates. How do you feel about the game?
A very easy game. I must say, I came from England. I scored 40 goals there. I scored many goals there in practice, more especially because I'm playing against Kune, but no problem. Same thing.
Okay.
Mohamed Salah was standing this side, right? Can I stand on the other side?
Okay. Tell us about the cup.
Absa Cup. Prorob. Boga Absa Cup.
No, that's not the one.
Oh, Canetton Cup. Prorob. White
No, the derby.
The MTN. White Sting MTN Cup. Naki Sharp Kayo.
Why did they bring you here?
Mr. Mataung, Kaizer Mataung, he tell me how you say in South Africa, Chiefs don't have CBT. They don't have CBT. That's why he bring me from Liverpool to bring a little bit more CBT in the team.
I'm very ready, and if there's one thing, like the song, Siyahamba, whether someone on Mapurisa or it's Amari, Batu, South Africa, everybody, it's fine.
Okay, a word from the supporter of Kaizer Chiefs.
Yeah. The game was good. Yeah, very good.
The game has not started yet.
Future.
Tell us about the game and the match.